We've got a killer 69 Mustang Pro Touring car right here. It's got all the upgraded suspension, the 5-speed, the Performance 302 under the hood, posi, and let me tell you, the meticulous workmanship is extremely impressive. The gentleman that had this car built, even his notes are all organized and very meticulous. He had phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, I think he goes all the way up to phase 6, and everything is itemized. This just tells you the type of person that had this car built. He had it professionally built, and again, over the top, meticulous, super, super nice car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the info, study all the pictures, and that's where you find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. That's also where you'll find a Buy It Now button. If you see something you really like, click the button. That locks it in for you while you're thinking and talking to the salesman. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as these new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, you know, I buy and sell and look at a lot of cars. Exceptional. This thing's over the top. I mean, this is really, really nice, tastefully done. So underneath the car is just immaculate. Even the installation, like the fuel lines and wires are just all run so neatly and straight. All custom suspension. Has some long coilover strut spindles in front, rack and pinion steering. I mean, it's all custom front end. It has a tubular cross member up front, tubular subframe in the back, they call it, with the coilover shocks. Has Detroit Speed mini tubs in back for the wider tires. Has a real nice custom dual exhaust system with the nice stainless tips coming out the back. 4-wheel disc brakes. The whole brake system's new, drilled and slotted rotors at all 4 wheels. Big calipers. I can see it peeking through here and way down to there. Huge calipers on the front, painted red. Custom e-brake assembly. It actually has an e-brake handle in the middle. Frame connectors are welded in. The floors are immaculate. Frame connectors look like they came from the factory. It just keeps the car from twisting, makes it handle better. Fuel systems all new. I think the fuel pump's built into the tank, I believe. So under the car is all upgraded, all new, all meticulously done. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, high torque starter. Has a T5 brand new transmission. It's a 5-speed trans, not a used one, not a rebuilt one, but a new one. In back, it has 373 posi gears. So the body was all done professionally. You have all the invoices in there, and it's outstanding. Everything is square and flush. Everything's absolutely straight, beautiful. No body work showing, no bubbles, no shrinkage. It's all outstanding. No vinyl top, just all nice slick red paint. I don't see any cracking or any issues at all. Smooth right to the bottom. Everything fits so nicely. Absolutely straight. There's no waves whatsoever. This is high-end body work. This is outstanding. Lines up beautifully. The body is killer on this car. Painted a real slick red, polished like glass. I didn't see any flaws anywhere. Just outstanding. Has Ring Brothers hood pins right here. Halogen headlights. All the chrome, the trim, the grille, the bumper, all that's replaced. All of the glass all the way around was replaced, along with all the gaskets and seals. All the moldings, the stainless trim, the mirrors, even the vent window frames were replaced. Oh, I thought I found a nick, but it wiped off. It's got some nice silver GT style stripes down there. Nice stance, 17-inch billet wheels with G-Force performance tires. They're BFG G-Force tires. Sequential LED taillights, meaning they blink across, new gas cap, bumper, all the trim. I mean, it's outstanding. So let's open it up, give you a tour of the inside now. All right, let's see what the trunk has in store for us. Well, underneath the trunk lid in the jam is polished beautifully as I get rid of these leaves. Weather strip is replaced. Inside is all clean metal. Looks like it was sprayed with like a bed liner. Actually, this was all sprayed with lizard skin inside the trunk and the interior. Taillight housings look new. Battery is relocated to the trunk. It's an Optima battery with a billet hold down, and then it has a master key that you can disconnect. Fuel tank is new, like I said, custom tank. So the door jambs are painted slick, the latches are new, weather strips are new, the interior metal's painted, the door panels, armrest, window cranks, all that's replaced. I like how the interior matches the exterior really well as far as the color is concerned. The dash is all new. Look at all the sparkling trim. Has a set of phantom white face gauges, all new vents and trim, retro stereo, kick panels, pony floor mats, all that's redone. 5-speed shifter, has the fake reverse lockout, the nice leather boot. Here's the e-brake I told you about. Great sport seats, they hold you in place real nice. Back seat, all redone. Side panels painted. Headliners replaced, all LED lights under the dash, the dome light. Beautiful steering wheel on custom tilt column. I even looked up under the dash. Everything looks like new in this car. Wiring, you name it, and it's all meticulously done. That's the key. They had lots of cars with all sorts of new parts, but it's like, who put it together, though? So that's a performance-built 302 motor, fuel injected. I really like how it's dressed up with the brushed aluminum components. It has this whole crossbar Monte Carlo support system. This also prevents the car from twisting, makes it handle better. Look at the engine bay, all smooth and slick. Stainless steel hardware ever. It has these hinges that I love. At first I thought, boy, those look cool, but I really am noticing how smooth it makes the hood open and close and latch so much nicer. Look at the AC and heater lines, how they're run behind the fender. Whole front of the motor is filled with all the billet pulleys and serpentine belt and alternator and AC compressor and all that good stuff. Aluminum radiator with an overflow bottle, dual electric fans. Has a Borgeson power steering. Looks like an MSD ignition system. Willwood master cylinder and power brakes. This thing is show quality throughout. Let me just show you the hood, just how nice and smooth that is. Look how it's just painted so nice. Looks the part, performs, handles, steers, shifts, awesome. I'm so excited right now. So I just wanted to try out the sequential turn signals, make sure they're working. And I'm noticing there's a little tiny wire that runs into the door. There's no speakers, there's no lights. Like, what in the world's that wire for? There's a built-in turn signal arrow in the mirror right here that's blinking right now. I think that's the coolest thing. So anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman to help answer whatever questions you still have, how to get it delivered to your door, how to finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. That way you will be notified as the new ones are posted. And I gotta say it one more time, this car is exceptional. I like his quality and I like the choices, the fit, finish. It's awesome, not over the top. So enough said, the car speaks for itself. Thanks for watching.